how to turn on pro mode on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable professional mode on Facebook. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the easiest way that I found to do it is to simply open up the Facebook app and then navigate to your profile. You can do that by selecting profile or just selecting your profile image to the left of what's on your mind. Once you get to your Facebook profile, select the three dots in the top right of the app, and then just scroll down to the bottom and you'll see turn on pro mode. It's going to tell you what that means. So go ahead and select update your profile when you're ready. You can then tell it who your audience will be. Most likely you're going to do public. So go ahead and select your preference, then select next. It'll then update some of your default audience settings based on what you selected. So I recommend going through here, making sure you're okay with anything. If you want to change it, you can select edit settings to hide some of your information, but it's basically going to make everything public. So go ahead and select confirm. Then you can describe your profile. So if you want to have digital creator on your Facebook profile, you would just select digital creator down there, make sure it's in the little box right here, and then select next, and then select go to your dashboard. So that'll bring you to your pro mode dashboard where you can see some of your information. But we don't have to do anything here. You could just go back to your profile if you want to. And once you get to your profile and refresh it, you'll see that you now have the digital creator showed up on your Facebook profile because you have pro mode turned on. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.